Well, it was nice to see the sun again across the Upper Peninsula, and tonight we'll have a few more clouds enter, but we should be partly clear throughout the night as temperatures look to drop back into the 30s for us. There is a weak system that is currently just off to our north and west back into northern Minnesota, but it looks like that rain will mostly stay off to our east or to our west and not really impact us. But by tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, clouds continue to thicken, and by tomorrow night, that's when we'll see that next chance of rain finally arrive with our next system. But for us right now, 52 degrees and mostly sunny. Below average, but still not too bad with the sun out there for us. Winds around 3 miles per hour coming in from the northeast. And as far as temperatures across the rest of the region, we're seeing 52 here in Marquette. But off to the west, temperatures in the mid to lower 50s at 55 in Ontonagon, 57 in Crystal Falls. A little cooler into Houghton at 42 degrees as you have more of that impact coming off of Lake Superior. 57 down in Menominee, and for us off to the east, lower 50s in Munising, 54 in Escanaba, and Ishpeming currently at 52. So one of those kind of coolish days. It almost feels like it's early fall out there right now for us. Current winds coming in from the northwest at 10 in Houghton, 6 in Iron Mountain, while coming in from the southeast at 13 miles per hour in Escanaba. So not too breezy out there for us, and temperatures across the entire state seeing mostly 50s and 60s across the region. And we'll continue to see more of the cooler conditions tonight as clear skies and calming winds should lead to very cool air temperatures for us tonight, as we'll find ourselves in the lower 30s and a few of us only in the mid 30s. But partly cloudy throughout the evening. A few clouds do approach, but as we head into tomorrow, that's when we'll be looking out for the rain to be more of a concern for us. Not so much throughout the afternoon hours, but by tomorrow evening, late tomorrow evening, I would say around 8 p.m., rain chances will begin to pick up for us from west to east, and then by tomorrow night, seeing more of that moderate rainfall, and probably coming a little heavy as we wake up early on Friday morning, seeing more of that rain throughout the afternoon on Friday. But here's a look at our setup right now. You'll notice low pressure off to our west, working its way through the northern plains. Rain beginning to increase, and temperatures, they will rebound for us as well. We're not going to keep these coolish temperatures like we've had over the past couple of days. It does look to get closer, if not just a bit above our average marks as we get into the weekend. And for tomorrow, high pressure beginning to scoot off to the east, and that will allow low pressure to build in for us. And here's a look at our FUTURECAST model. Tonight, noticing just clouds. Rain stays off to our north and west as we head into our Thursday afternoon. Clouds building, but then not really seeing the rain until tomorrow evening around 7 to 8 p.m. as I mentioned earlier. And we'll see that this pushes through. Could be moderate to heavy at times. Seeing more of the rain as we go into Friday afternoon. And, well, it doesn't end there. As we head into the weekend, we will remain unsettled. So there will be chances for us heading into the weekend, just probably not seeing as heavy of rainfall that we'll see going into Thursday night and early Friday morning. Tonight, dropping down to 33 degrees, becoming overcast for us. Winds very light, but then starting to pick up from the south at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Broken clouds throughout the day, but really seeing that rain chance increase by tomorrow evening. 64 in Lawrence at 61 degrees in Ontonagon, calling for the middle 60s in Crystal Falls and Florence, both at 64. So quite an improvement from today and also from what we saw earlier this week. 54 in Escanaba and also at 54 in Manistee, while in the upper 50s in Munising. Here's your bus stop forecast for tomorrow morning. Partly cloudy, temperatures around the lower 30s, light winds, but expect those southerly winds to help temperatures make their way into the 60s as we head into the afternoon. Rain chances really picking up around 8 to 9 p.m. tomorrow evening. By Friday, we'll have the rain still around for us, a little cooler with the clouds and rain in place, so we'll only top off at 58 degrees before that milder air mass will arrive into the weekend. Saturday, we look to stay dry at 65. Sunday, 72 degrees, so quite a pleasant day, although we will have to deal with a few rain showers and seeing much more of a cool-off behind that system as we'll drop into the upper 40s by Monday with rain and then more of the lower 50s by Tuesday.